This is the configuration setup for the first demonstration for the first milestone. Here we have the node number 1 with the BBB and the tablet running the Android app, and here we have node number 2 with the running the app as well. So let's start connecting or running the code in the BBBs. So BBB2 now it's successfully connected to tablet, and BBB number 1 is now successfully connected to tablet number 1. So let's run the GUI. So now I will connect to the BBBs and send the initial configuration that includes the topology of the network. Now we can see how the BBB has sent the configuration to the tablet. So this tablet node that is a grid type of node, and this tablet node that is the node number 2, that is a normal node composed by a PV, a battery and a load. So now let's send the forecasted data to the tablets to display. We can see here the renewable generation forecast and the load forecast for this node, and we can see here the forecasted price for buying and selling electricity to the grid. Now let's run the centralized codes in MATLAB. So the algorithm starts running. Now we can see here how the BBBs are sending between them different two variables, that is lambda and delta p. These are variables that we are sending between each other, but they are not related with the execution of the algorithm. It's just to prove the peer-to-peer communication between two BBBs. So now let's wait for the convergence of the algorithm. So once it converges, it will show here automatically the optimal schedule for the battery, as well as, like now it has changed. And in the node number 1, it will show the scheduled power drawn from the grid, and that's the same value as in the computer, as we can see here. This is node 1, this is node 2. We can see here the energy storage in the battery and the convergence of the algorithm. So now the demonstration has finished. Let's close the app. We can see how everything will close.